Whoa.
I've got the time to show my love what it's all about. Fading up,
Look at this, man. It's so cool.
down below the laser guns.
Oof. I'm back again vlogging. It's been a while since I vlogged, so I have to like warm up a bit. So yeah, this thing is actually for the Rainforest Fringe. It happens every year, and then they are doing everything here. I guess I don't really know the information because Daphne actually invited me over. I heard that she's doing some like how to say, architectural crafting stuff with the bamboos and stuff, so it sounds interesting, so that's why I'm here to check it out and then to let you guys know that they are building this, and then hopefully it's gonna be amazing, and then I'll probably like do some photo shoots and do some videos here like after it's done. It'll probably be done by like next month, like around June or mid-June. I think I don't really know like a lot of stuff, so I'm trying to get the guys to talk more about this thing and when it's gonna be done, and then who's involved and everything. What is it gonna look like in the end? So yeah, let's go talk to some people, I guess. So the girls are working hard right now while I'm here filming them.
The roles are turned these
The
days.
tables are turned.
Tables are turned. The ladies build the house. The guy just looks pretty at the side.
Times are changing, boys. So they're tightening up the last bolt, right? Last, what do you call that? Nut?
Yeah, nut.
So this is how it looks like after it's done.
There's a model somewhere.
So it took them around an hour to do this, to finish this up. Like, it's really amazing to see it. And then I said making this should be faster if there's like a lot more people and they accept volunteers. Like anyone who wants to help them, then you can just let them know. Maybe I'll leave a link down below. You can go on their Facebook page or Instagram. Just let them know if you want to help out to be a part of this amazing craft. So I have no idea how it's gonna turn out to look like, but I'm excited to see it when it's done.
I got so much more, don't give it all.
So I'm doing my part as well, hugging these bamboo. Okay, so wait. The fuck, man? Okay. So I actually wanted to interview like Wendy, ask her about like what is all this about, but then she did say something about this, and then but then I didn't hit the record button. I didn't record it, and then I can go now. I have somewhere to go. Okay, so we're gonna talk somewhere else, somewhere quiet. So it's pretty amazing to see something like this happening in Kuching itself, to see all of this like creativity, artsy, crafty, I run out of things to rhyme with. This kind of events to be happening here in Kuching, especially in town. So yeah, kudos to the group who spend their time and effort and energy to build this kind of thing. Daphne, Thomas, and then the others, Wendy, and then the two other girls, and then probably some other people that will be coming soon. So yeah, I think we need more of this kind of event to be able to celebrate creativity and art like in Kuching. It doesn't have to be building something, it can just be like maybe videos or photos, like much more creativity events be happening around in Kuching, because recently I don't really see a lot of this kind of event to happen here town and then here in Kuching. So I'm pretty excited to see what this will turn out to be, and then I hope to be able to shoot a video, like I said, a video or photos here. Hope that I can create more interesting stuff here. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching this video. You know what you're gonna do, and then squatting down this position is not the most convenient way to vlog. Oh my gosh, man. Oh fuck. Okay, so I'm going off now. I'm gonna go home, and then after around 9 I will be playing badminton with Rambo. Okay, see you guys. Oh, pretty lights. Woo. Okay, see you guys.